Are you aware that you can be forced to pay taxes on money that you have never seen, money that you have never touched, or money that you may never ever receive? Yes, I'm talking about credit sales. Credit sales can easily drain out your cash flow. And even before you know it, KRA can come knocking on your door demanding for taxes in terms of VAT and income tax that you have not paid on income that you are yet to receive. Recently, we received a client in our office, and this client deals with provision of security services. And he explained to us how he was very happy about 6 months ago when they got a new client. The new client required them to provide them with 4 security guards, 2 for day and 2 for night. And the security firm happily did so. The two agreed that the invoice will be 100,000 plus 16,000 for VAT. So in total, 116,000. So the security firm, they provided the security guards and they religiously offered services to this particular client. At the end of month 1, they issued an invoice of 116,000. The client did not pay. Month 2, they issued another invoice. This client did not pay. Month 3, the same. And the security firm was concerned because by this time round, they were struggling to pay for rent, to pay salaries, and to pay other suppliers. But every other time they demanded that they be paid, the client requested them to be more patient, saying that he was working on something. And at these modern times and hard economic times, the security firm realized that it is good to wait and see how they could maintain and sustain this particular client, because losing client could be easy, but getting a new one is extremely hard. The security firm could have easily continued with that arrangement, hoping that sooner than later their client would pay them, until one day they received a tax assessment notice from KRA. And KRA was demanding that this security firm to pay VAT and income taxes on the invoices that they had issued to this client who has not even paid them a single cent. And in fact, that communication from KRA is what triggered them to come looking for a tax consultant. So they came, they sat down, and I listened carefully to their story. And I told them the painful truth that in Kenya, taxes are payable on a sale once you make it. It is not necessarily on when you receive the money on a service that you have offered, but the moment that you offer that service, the moment that you sell those goods, even though the customer will never ever pay you, you are supposed to pay taxes for those goods. And that painful truth made them realize how many mistakes that they had made in the past. So I asked them, do you want us to analyze your tax status? And they said yes. So I asked them for the KRA PIN for the company and the iTax password. And we logged inside the KRA account and checked an item after the other. And we saw so much mess therein. But we told them, first things first, let's first deal with this KRA assessment. And so we advised them that we needed to file all the returns that they had omitted. And those returns attracted penalties, fines, and interest. And we told them, now, since this is too much for you, as you have advised us, what we can help you do is prepare a payment plan. And we negotiated on their behalf with KRA that they be given 6 months payment period. They were very happy. So now, to avoid your business from falling into such a trap, this is my advice, that before you issue the next tax invoice, ask yourself, will this strengthen my business or will it expose me to tax risk? How are your credit terms? Do you sell services or goods and you are not very keen on how soon your customer should pay you, you should be very concerned, because these credit sales, once they are not paid on time, they can trigger KRA to come after you in terms of unpaid taxes. You struggle to pay rent, to pay salaries, to pay for other supplies that your office receives. So ensure that you enforce strict payment timelines, because it is said revenue is sanity, but cash is king. Cash is like blood is to you. Cash to your business is like blood is to you as a living person. Without blood, you cannot survive. Your business cannot survive as well without cash. So ensure that you demand for deposit from your customers. Do a credit assessment whether these people are good for your business. If you are not sure where to start from, ensure to engage a tax consultant and have a conversation with them, because one conversation today can save you from months of penalties, fines, and sleepless nights.